Welcome to Comm Systems channel. When it comes to building secure and reliable communication networks, one of the biggest concerns is signal leakage. In traditional copper cabling, data travels as electrical signals, and unfortunately, those signals can radiate or leak out of the cable. With the right tools, bad actors can tap into that data without ever being noticed. This makes copper wiring vulnerable, not only to interference, but also to eavesdropping and data theft. Fiber optic cables work completely differently. Instead of electricity, they use light to transmit information. These light signals are carried through a glass or plastic core that's only slightly thicker than a human hair. Surrounding that core is a cladding layer, which keeps the light tightly contained inside the fiber through a process called total internal reflection. What does that mean for security? Fiber cables don't radiate energy the way copper does, so there's no signal leakage to intercept. Trying to tap into a fiber line requires cutting into it and using highly specialized, expensive tools. Any attempt almost always causes a visible disruption or complete service outage, alerting network operators right away. Fiber cables are resistant to electromagnetic interference, which makes them more stable, consistent, and secure. This combination of no leakage, high resistance to tapping, and strong signal integrity makes fiber optics the standard choice for organizations that demand the highest level of security, such as government agencies, hospitals, financial institutions, and corporate data centers. At Comm Systems, we install and certify fiber optic networks that ensure your data is transmitted safely and reliably, without the risks that come with copper cabling. Whether for a business, a secure facility, or even advanced home networks, fiber provides unmatched protection against data loss and unauthorized access. Thank you for tuning in to Comm Systems channel. For more expert insights on cabling, security, and network technology, don't forget to like and subscribe. Call us today at 888-501-5885 or visit www.dvcsny.com